In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your playlist on Spotify. So if you are wanting to delete a playlist on Spotify, this is a simple thing to do. So the first thing you will need to do is head over to your Spotify app. Once you have opened up your Spotify app, you will need to head over to your library and find the playlist you want to delete. So for me, what I will do is I will just click on my playlist number 3, which is the second from the top. Once you click on the playlist you want to delete, you will now have an option for 3 dots just below your username. Click on the 3 dots and as you can see there is an option now to delete playlist. If you click on the delete playlist option, you will get this pop up and all you simply need to do is click on the green delete button just to confirm that you want to delete this playlist. Once you click on the green delete button, as you can see the playlist has now been removed from my library. So it's just that simple to do, guys. If this video did help you out, please let me know in the comments down below, drop a like on the video and I'll see you in the next one.